Okay, this is going to be just a walk around video as of today, the day I post this video. Sorry about the darkness. All right, for anyone just tuning in, this is a 1992 Nissan Pathfinder frame with a 1986 and a half two-wheel drive hard body cab mounted with a 3-inch body lift. The interior's been transferred from that Pathfinder, and it's going to be getting some form of flatbed deck so I can actually still kind of use it to move things around with. This is the main difference between the Pathfinder, and I'm sorry about the shakiness, it is absolutely freezing in here right now. But this is the main difference between the Pathfinder and the hard body pickup is 4-link coil spring suspension with sway bar and panhard bar. Pretty wild. So the cab does just mount right up. The mounts on the front part of the frame all do line up, so you can just drop a cab on it pretty easy. Still saving or trying to strategically plan the engine. I have the transmission already. I have all the shifting, fixins to make it work. I've got drive shafts, so that's all good. The engine, though, I'm gonna keep my nose to the ground, or my ear to the ground, and just see what's out there. I'm hunting a local, hoping to poach myself an Xterra, but right now there's really nothing cheap. They're all, not worth cutting up and pulling the motor out. It'd just be overpaying for the motor. There's the friendly reminder that we used to be an automatic. but we're going to be a 5-speed when we're done. So all these bits are from the Pathfinder. Even we got seat belts now. They're off the Pathfinder as well. So that's all bolted in. I got the wire harness pretty much ready to go through the floorboard and out to the back. I've been tinkering around with the sending unit. I didn't really do anything with it this last time because I was working on other things, but the connector's broken off the wiring there, so I got to figure out how to resecure that wire, because all it was just twisted around. No good. So, and what else was I going to need to do? I was going to finish sandblasting the frame. Now that the weather's getting better, I could probably just push this outside, because it's at a point now where it's just pretty much waiting on the motor, and you know, it can stay outside and we can use the facility for other stuff. So yeah. So this cab is off an 86.5 two-wheel drive, regular cab. Well, obviously regular cab. Heavy duty V6 long bed. I bought that truck back in 2013, and I parted most of it out. The motor was running but junk. I kept the 5-speed tranny though, so that's going to be a good future project there. The doors are off the Pathfinder. If you guys going back and go through the playlist, all this is covered. I'm just, you know, rehashing old news to some of the followers here, so I apologize if this is just repeated information. Anyways, yeah, just follow the playlist. It'll show you where we started, how much fun we've had, and how we got to this point here. If you have any comments, just leave them down below. I appreciate any thumbs up you guys give, and you know, subscribe, check it out. Lots of hard body stuff. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.